How to create a line app account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily create your line app account on your device. So first thing what you can do is make sure you have successfully installed this line app application on your device. So sign up process is pretty simple. Simply click on your sign up button. So what you can do is you can simply verify your country from over here and simply click on continue with your Google account, which means you have linked your Google account to this account for creating line app. So simply select any of the Google account you like, and once you click on it, wait for some time and it will ask you to enter your name just like this. Simply enter your name and create your password by following the on-screen instruction. So let me just do that. So once you do that, you will be given this option. Simply click on allow and click on allow once again. Click on allow. So once you're inside here, you will have successfully created your account. So it's as simple as that, and you can from over here you can also decorate your profile by adding a profile picture or editing your name and adding a theme just like this on your background. So you can do plenty of stuff on your account. So that is it guys, that's exactly how you can easily create your line application account on your device. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.